Hey there, property owners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we help you make the most out of your rental properties. Are you tired of the hassle and stress of finding reliable long-term tenants? We know how challenging it can be to keep your property occupied with trustworthy tenants who pay on time and take care of your place. Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about tenant turnover or dealing with problematic renters. Meet Angel Dragons Limited, your new best friend in the rental market. We specialize in connecting property owners like you with ideal long-term tenants. Our mission? To connect you with perfect long-term tenants without any of the usual headaches. We take pride in our seamless process that ensures both landlords and tenants are happy. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? It sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the best part. There's no catch. We believe in transparency and simplicity. Angel Dragons Lieutenant offers a 0% fee for landlords. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to pay a single penny to use our services. No charges at all for using our service. This means you can save money while we do all the hard work for you. Imagine never having to worry about tenant finding ever again. You can sit back, relax, and let us handle everything. We handle the entire process from start to finish. From advertising your property to screening potential tenants, we've got it all covered. Just tell us your criteria and we'll find tenants that match your requirements perfectly. Whether you're looking for a family, a professional, or a student, we've got you covered. And what about the tenants? We ensure that they are reliable and responsible individuals who will treat your property with respect. Renters only pay a small fee, typically 50% of 1 month's rent, for a transparent and clear rental experience. This fee helps us maintain our high standards of service. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Landlords get peace of mind and tenants get a smooth renting experience. But don't just take my word for it. We have countless satisfied clients who can vouch for our exceptional service. Listen to what Marwan Abdallah had to say. Angel Dragons Limited made my life so much easier. They found the perfect tenant for my property in no time. I couldn't be happier. Ready to get started? Don't let your property sit vacant any longer. Contact Angel Dragons Limited via WhatsApp at +447 5411 2580. Our friendly team is ready to assist you with any questions you may have. Listing your property with us doesn't obligate you to anything. There are no hidden fees or long-term commitments. Just share your details and let us do the hard work for you. We'll take care of everything, from marketing to tenant screen. Remember, finding the right tenant doesn't have to be stressful. With Angel Dragons Limited, you can enjoy a hassle-free rental experience. With Angel Dragons Limited, it's easy, fast, and completely free for landlords. So why wait? The sooner you contact us, the sooner we can find your ideal tenant. Reach out to us today and find your ideal tenant in no time. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you achieve rental success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and services from Angel Dragons Limited. See you next time.